We're going to start off with 2 coats of a very nude pink and then go in with a more baby pink. This is going to be for the cupcake frosting, and we're going to pop that just on the end, as you can see here, in like a stepped manner to represent some pink frosting dripping down our cupcake. And that just goes straight in the lamp, and then I did go in with a second layer. So I've distributed some white gel polish onto a piece of foil, and I'm using a striping brush, and we're just going to trace around that baby pink colour, and then we're going to pop 3 stripes down that nail to look like the, what is it, like the paper, oh my lord, what are they called? The cupcake holders. It's a cupcake holder. Oh, to represent the cupcake holder. Once you've done that, then it's going back into the lamp to cure, and we are ready for our topping to our frosting. If I forgot to mention at the very beginning, this is a Valentine's cupcake nail, and we're going to do a cherry heart, or a heart, yeah, a cherry heart. That makes sense? It will do, you'll know what I mean, or you've probably already seen the picture at the beginning. So once we finish the striping, then we are going to go in with our little frostings, which I think looks a little bit like the top of a donut. So we're going to use a bright pink, a pale like purpley, I need to lavender then, a dark purple, and a red for our cherry heart. And we are using I'm using like a little dotting tool, but it's the, yeah, you saw it, I can't explain, lost the will to explain things now. And we're just doing tiny little lines for the decoration. I can't remember what they're called now. Get them on top of donuts. Oh, and that it does look like a donut. It looks like a glazed donut. Oh my lord, it looks hungry. I can't speak today. So once we've done our little topping of our cupcake, sorry, out of my frame there. Once we've done that, we're going to pop that back into the lamp, and then we're going to do our heart shaped cherry. Okay, we're going to go in with a larger dotting tool just to get our heart done. So as normal, your 2 little dots, so as if you were going to draw a cherry, so 2 little dots, and then join them together in the middle, taper them down. Bob's your uncle, you've got a heart. Perfect. Pop that in the lamp, top coat it, and you have got the cutest little cupcake Valentine's nail.